our channel again. This is Shout Space. You're welcome. Now, this video I'll be teaching you how to a connect a domain to blog, your blogspot website or blog, because it's not really professional that somebody be using testing blogs 11.blogspot.com. But if you want to connect, maybe you want to buy a domain and name it maybe testing.com or testingblog.com.ng or whatever in total. Now you can buy a domain from there are a lot of domain sellers out there. You can check out namecheap.com or domainking.ng if you're in Nigeria or in Africa, or if you are anywhere around the world, you can use namecheap.com, which I'm also going to be showing you. Namecheap.com. You can also use them to buy your domain. They sell domain at very affordable prices. As you can see, you register a domain, let's say testing.com. I don't think that domain is supposed to be available because it's a very familiar word and people out there would have gotten it already. But let's see. So this on this platform, right? Because I'm going to be using this today to show you how to buy a domain. So you register your account if you don't have an account, which I don't think you do, but you register an account. So after you logged in, you get to see above. I already have domains here, so don't expect to see free domains in your account. So you buy a domain by going to domain, register a new domain, and you click on it. It will ask you to search for the kind of domain you want to buy. So you can type on anything, testing.com, test running, anything at all that you feel your site should actually be on. But you don't need to put it www, just search on anything, and if it's available, you purchase it and you pay for it. Now let's connect a domain. We have a lot of domain here that are no longer using. I think that's www.com.ng is still available. Okay, let's connect this domain to our blog account so that I can be able to show you this how it's done. So now the name server is to be default settings. Always make sure it's default name servers because now you're trying to connect the domain to your blog account. So after doing that, you go to the overview, everything is intact, you go to DNS. When you come to the overview section, you see this DKNG DNS manager, you go there. So it takes you, to set and connect the domain to your Blogger account. So I've used this before, and that's why all these are here. So you delete everything, which hopefully nothing is supposed to be in your own DNS section. So if any is there, just delete everything. Let everything go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Okay. So after you've deleted everything has been deleted successfully. Now you come to your Blogger account. You copy the domain you want to link. Come to your Blogger account, you go to your custom domain, you paste it, and then you hit on save. Now it says these blogs may not be hosted at naked domains, which means I need to add a www to this domain. So www dot and it brings it up. So this is now the new things we'll be adding to that class. Now don't forget to click on this link also because it will bring you the A servers. And yes, exactly. The DNS, let's start with this first of all. You connect this to this. Just watch me and follow me carefully. So after doing the A records, you now go to the C name. Now this is where the main thing comes in. So for Google Blogger or Blogspot, the first C name is always www and targeted at ghs.google.com. So let's go there now. Let's get to do it. Now for some host providers or domain name sellers, this usually works, but for this particular domain king, they will, if you ever see an error, maybe on any other platform, just add your domain completely. And voila, it works. It has been saved. That's because some will actually ask you to just put the www, but I don't know what's happened to Domain King. All of a sudden, so they started wanting you to put the whole domain, not just the www anymore. So now we go here also, we click on this and we bring it also to the. So we change the www for this, and also we come here, we copy the whole of this section, then we'll place it in here. It has been saved and everything now has been connected in few minutes because this is not an automatic something. It works like it's an automatic something, but it takes a little bit of time. We call it propagation or integration period. So it takes a little bit of time for everything to begin to load up. But once you've done this, give it a little few minutes for it to integrate and your site will start opening at this domain name. When you open this domain name, your website will not be the one to open. No longer using that former this testing blogs one domain anymore. So now let me explain this again to you for clarity and for more understanding. So when you the issues with this is these two synonyms are what you're using connecting your domain. The A this AAA section, they are not always important or necessary, but even if it's one you can add to your to your DNS section so that the domain will know where that it is pointing to Google Blogspot. So now these synonyms is what actually points to your blog directly so that you know where exactly it's supposed to point. So this is always general, it's everybody's blog. Now this is what makes it unique. This first one and this is the first one which is to be here at the name, and then the second one which is the destination. These two are always very, 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 very serious. Like they are the ones pointing to every unique domain, every unique blog hosted on Blogspot. So after you've done with this, click on save. If it's integrated already, you should save. So once they could not update settings, try again. You don't need to be scared. Everything you've done was very okay and perfect. So all you need to do is to go and come back later, and in a few more minutes or in an hour or two, your site will be loading perfectly. Why it's going to be taking more time for me is because the site has already been integrated somewhere else before. I just have to unlink it now to connect it here, which is going to take a lot of some like amount of time, an hour or two to actually come and fix itself here. So, but for now, as you can see, it will keep saying could not update setting, could not update setting. But in next 1 hour or two, if I try it to update. So you do yours, and if you have any issue, drop a comment and I'll respond to you. Thank you, love you, take care of yourself, and don't forget this is a shout space. Please like and subscribe to us for more content on SEO, blogging, and a lot of things we're going to be fixing here together. Thank you.